Is anybody having a good time today? I can see a lot of people with smiles on their faces, a lot of people visiting. They're here together to have a good time as a family. When we talk with the people who came here 25 plus years ago, and the mayor would probably remember the same time, we met with a lot of single adults or adults who had their family at home. It was a very hard time 25 years ago for those first people who came from Somalia. So to see people here as families today, it's a little noisy, but it's great. It's fantastic. To the MLA from Edmonton, thank you for coming to our great community, great part of the province. Thank you for being here. And my friend, the mayor, mayors are the best job in the country, and we've got a good one here, and thank you for what you do for our community, John.
Just highlight a few things. I'm really impressed with your organization and some of the objectives, and I'll just summarize them quickly. Number one, strengthen community ties. Promote education, become a bridge between the organizations in town, enhance access to social services, healthcare, housing, and legal support, promote employment, encourage youth, welcome and assist newcomers, and collaborate with other organizations. You guys have a great plan, keep it up, and we're very proud of what you do in the community here. I just want to mention that this is Thanksgiving weekend, and there's been a lot of great messages from a lot of great people here too, and I just want to say I'm very thankful that we live in a wonderful country, we live in a wonderful province, and we live in the best city in all of Canada here too.
Yes, you have to retain your culture, but I also want you, please, and think about this. Ultimately, this is your country. Canada is your country. And you have to make it here. Therefore, as Sharif, who is our MLA, I liked something that he said in another place where he was talking. He said, we should not form parallel society. It shouldn't be parallel. We are Canadians. We will retain our culture, our Muslim culture, our Somali culture, our Black culture, but we will also integrate into the Canadian mosaic.
dhammaan meeshan caruur baa inoo joogta, dad waaweyn baa inoo jooga, isku duubni iyo inaynu dhammaanteen iska warqabno baa inoo insha Allahu ballana. Waa aragtaan halka madaxdii bururkiisa waa fadhidaa, madax Edmonton iyo dhulfo ka timi Calgary waa joogtaa. Waxay intaa ku dhammaantood waxay halka isugu yimaadeen inay idinkala qayb galaan farxadiina.
We cannot have both ways. We cannot ask people to be part of the society at the same time isolate ourselves by a choice. So you need to be involved. You need to be part of the society that you live in. And that's how the society will progress.
Dually said, Somali ay torso isku tiirsada. In English it says, all Somalis rise up, lean on each other, help those ones who need help. Think about it. This is the best that you can do, those in Brooks. So you lean on each other and help each other so that we can build a strong community here. What that means is a strong Brooks here. What that means is a strong Alberta here, which means a strong Canada. And that's what we need to do. Thank you very much.